Hello class, today I'm going to be walking you through the way we'll be doing our assignments, and basically the way we'll be sharing our assignments. So I will start with Kim. We will be looking at Kim as the main character in Seed Fox. So I'll open Kim. So on your screen you would go on Google Drive. I think you all know how to go to Google Drive. So open your Google account, and then on the left of your profile you can see the 9 dots. Just open them and go down on Drive, and then you can open a new document, Google Docs. Then a new page will come up. Then on the new page I have uploaded some questions on. I shared with you a link on chapter 1 of Seed Fox, which is Kim, talks about Kim as a main character. So you open the link, then you listen to the recording of the chapter. Listen until the end.
It was dawn. No one else
And then when you are done
was
listening,
awake. I stared at my father's photograph. His thin face turned.
let's say you are done listening, then you go back to the Google Doc that you opened. Then hand with the document that I have shared with you. You open a new document and then start answering the questions from after listening to the audio. So basically what I want you to do is to think about Kim as the main character in the chapter 1 of Seed Fox, and then what can we make of the setting? Where is Kim from? Just have answers to those questions. Then you will jot down the questions on the new sheet that you have opened on Google Doc. Then you have questions like, where is Kim from? What's her age? Remember, we were looking at analyzing characters. What are the character traits? A text can tell you who the character is, how he behaves, the traits. They can be internal traits, they can be external traits. The text can tell you. So, what did Kim lose? What's her personality? What motivation does she have when planting beans? How is the garden connecting her to her dad? So what is the garden, what is the importance of the garden to Kim towards her father? So the next question you will think about now, how can you relate with Kim in losing someone you love so much? So think about those questions and then write down the answers. When you are done answering all the answers, so turn in. You can share with me on my email. You can share here. So either share on my email. See, you can make it open so I can give comments whenever. You can also copy the link and then share it with me, and then when I get the link I can read and then give feedback to you. Okay, thank you so much.